Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I do problem solvings, liquid problems and stuff, hopefully to make it into somewhere. So today problem is called odd even linked list. It's a linked list problem. And given the head of a single linked list, group all the nodes with odd indices together followed by nodes with even indices and return the reordered list. So the first node is considered odd and the second node is considered even, so on. So basically odd even. This is odd, this is even, this is odd, this is even, this is odd. But we're not actually looking at the value, we are actually looking at the position. At position 1, it's odd position. Position 2 is even position. So let's look at the example 2 here. Even though the value is 2, we're not looking at the value. Okay, we're looking at the position of the nodes. So odd position, even position. Odd position, even position. 1, 2, 2 is even. This place is even, so 1 gonna be fallen to even. Then this one, because it falls at 4th position, it's gonna be on the even as well. Okay, so just like that. And we just have the odd position ones on one side and even position nodes on one side, and we connect the odd ones with even ones. And we are not allowed to, we must solve this in constant space, so no extra space. And then linear time complexity, okay, order of n. So how are we gonna do? We're gonna connect, let's say, this node with this node. So we're gonna do odd.next equals even.next, and then we're gonna do even.next equals to odd.next. So we're gonna connect this with this, and we're gonna connect this with this, and then eventually we're gonna connect this set with this set. So we're gonna check if head is equals to null or head.next is equal to null, then we return head. That means there's no nodes or just one node. We just return head. Otherwise, list node, we're gonna need an odd to keep track of odd equals head. We're gonna make it a head, and then we're gonna need even. We're gonna make it head.next. So the even gonna be head.next, which is the first element dot next here. And then we need to keep track of the even list, so that we can connect this list with this list later. Well, why we don't need to keep track of this list? We already have the head of the list, which is the original head, which is the first element is already odd number. Okay, so even head equals even. So just to keep track. While even is not equal to null, and even dot next is not equal to null. So after this condition, what are we gonna do? So we're gonna do odd dot next equals even dot next. So odd dot next. So the pointer, next pointer of the odd should be the next pointer of the even. So it will point to this. Okay. And then we just move the odd list. Odd equals odd dot next. Okay. And same for the even dot next equals odd dot next. So even dot next, it's originally pointing to the odd one. So we just change it to odd dot next. So this will directly point to this will point to this. And then we just move the pointer of the even from this to this. Okay. So even equals even dot next. All right. After that, we just connect, let's say we already have this set, which is the odd set, and then even list, we just connect odd dot next equals even head. Why do we connect with even head? Even head is the first even, remember? So we connect the first even with the last of the odd. So it'll be odd nodes and then even nodes connected. And then we just return head. That's it, because we are not doing anything. We're just modifying the pointers. We're just pointing to different directions to get the result. Okay, let's run. There we go. Accept it. This question is not bad, actually, to be honest. I actually like this question. You can imagine how it's working behind the scenes. 0 millisecond beats 100%. Okay, fastest. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested about problem solvings and tech related stuff. I would really appreciate it. God bless. See you next time.